Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc tutorial. This time we talk about Instagram and how you can go ahead and make sure that you search for filters on Instagram. So what you have to do is make sure that you naturally have the app installed and everything. So go ahead and click on it, make sure that you are logged in. So once you are in, I want you to go to the story section. So go to click on add new story and it makes you or jumps over to the camera section. Now, it's actually very simple to scroll through the available stories right here. So you can just go like this and just set up whatever face filters and stuff that you want. However, if you want to find some new ones, which is actually the point of this video, if you want to like search for new filters, you need to scroll through all of them. Even though it appears like there is no end, there is in fact. So scroll through all the way to the right like this and you get to the search button. So you just click on that and you can go through all of the possible filters that you didn't see before. I'm not saying it's the best or most convenient way to like search for them, but you have like categories for trending, some appearance, aesthetic. So yeah, you can scroll through the options here as well, or you can also use the search bar to look something up. I'm not sure what exactly you would try to get, but if you remember something specific that you noticed before, you would try to recreate it. Then go ahead and at least try to look it up, search for it to see if you can find the good fit. Also, besides that, you have the saved section where you can actually save some filters for later, and you can also find them here. So in case you are wondering where your saved filters are, then you can find them here through the search section. So this is essentially how it works. So yeah, if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe below, and also let me know about any possible questions you might have. So yeah, go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.